Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Guam. For approximately 450. We'll be taxiing in for the next few minutes. We estimate the station seatbelt security fastened to the aircraft on system based off. The captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, indicating that we are safely parked at the gate. At that time, we ask them to the ground seating area and seat pockets in front of you, and the overhead compartments for small is brought aboard with you. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments. Contents may have shifted during flight. On behalf of Continental Micronesia SkyTeam Partners, I thank you for choosing to fly with us. We look forward to serving you again whenever your travel plans do permit. After the stays here on the island of Guam, have a safe, pleasant journey to the city or island of your next destination. The use of cell phones and two-way pagers is now permitted.
Lalapag lang po natin sa paliparan ng Guam. Oras po dito sa Guam ay 10 minuto bago mag-5 ng umaga. Para sa inyong kaligtasan, mangyari po namang manatili lang kayo nakaupo hanggang ating sasakyan ay tumating sa tamang pagtunang hintuan at ang senyal ng fasten seatbelt and din na po nakailaw. Sa ngalan ni Kapitan Shomer at ang pupakan kami